Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a makeup look tutorial, a quick one. I hope you enjoy this video, so if you want to see how to create this look right here, then of course keep on watching. So that is pretty much the end of this video. This is what the look turned out to be. I definitely think that it's like a autumnal makeup look because you do have like the rich tones on the eyes. But yes, I did add the glitter, and yes, I did add the darker lip, and I haven't worn a lip like this in a while. So I'm really enjoying this look. It's kind of a nice look in my opinion. So I hope you enjoyed this video as well. Thank you so much for watching till the end of this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.